estate like this. Whoa. Those water. I think we just drove past a few floods. It's crazy. Good old Tucson for you. Oh, shit. I think we drove past the worst parts. Oh, it's picking up now. Oh. Down. Water down there.
Yeah, this is the flat spot right here.
Whoa. Whoa. Holy crap. Holy crap, that's a lot of water. Hard to see, but all that right down there is water. There's a stream that we're driving through right now.
I'm trying to get over it, but I can't.
Holy shit. Yeah. Shit, we got the hazard lights on now. Ooh. How bad is it out there? Whoa. Oh god, it's a lot of water. Jesus. Alright, I'm gonna roll this up now. Holy crap. Uh-oh. Holy shit, that car though.
Okay, let me turn around. We'll go up Ajo.
Okay.
This is a bit too much for me. This is exactly what your mom was warning against.
Yeah.
That's too much.
Shit.
No, we're coming up with another flat flooded area. We'll be fine.
Yeah. You have the high beams on?
Nah.
No.
Blind other driver.
We got all oh, doesn't heat help with that? Right? Hey, there we go. Whoa, you saw that? Holy shit. That person. Oh, we can see better now. Wow.
See, that was park up there?
Jesus. this is on Cameron Remington. We got heavier ones. Friggin' huge. There isn't even lightning right now. This is like striking us all around. Pretty insane. There we go, better stay right there. Nothing. Ooh. Yeah, as a Arizonan, this shit's unknown to me sometimes. Woohoo, we're safe. That was a little scary. Yeah, we're home free now. Whoa. Oh God, man. Oh, Jesus.
We're escaping the flood. Everybody! It's good, get
Yeah, this is crazy.
It's the government. The government's coming to kill us.
Yeah, it's all government.
This is man-made here.
That was
Man-made flooding in Tucson, Arizona. It's government takeover. They're trying to kill us all. I saw